Now, Bollywood dance is a tough topic to discuss because it's hard to pin down. It's a fusion of different styles from around the country and around the world. The competitors in this year's Naya Andaz showed us firsthand what that looks like. Actress Pooja Batra had the extremely difficult task of picking 3 winners in the junior and senior categories.
Third prize in junior category is, I heard, Arya Dance Academy! Woo!
Arya Dance Academy!
It's a phenomenal experience. Our juniors have been working hard for the past few months, and they did numerous costume changes throughout the dance, and I couldn't be more proud of them. They did a fabulous job.
You know, visually it has to appeal to me. And visually that choreography did appeal to me with the costumes. They were in sync. There was nothing out of place.
Third prize in the senior category, Pooja.
Moksha.
When I told the guys that we're gonna dance to Omkara, they were like, what? And then they went home and Googled it, and they were like, I didn't even see a dance on YouTube. There's no dance, there's no song. I'm like, well, you know what? We're just gonna go with our gut and our creativity, and we just went with it, and we just did what came to our mind.
Their attitude on stage. It was nice to see no smile. They had, all of them had the story going of the song. I think the only place I kind of gave them less marks was the lip sync, because it's generally a man's voice, and 2 of the dancers were not lip syncing.
The second prize goes to Nritya Creation! Woo!
You won second prize in the junior category. How does it feel?
It feels amazing. The final months have finally paid off, and we're so happy, right? So happy.
You know, when you do a dance, the song choice is also very important. So when you take a song like Chaiya Chaiya, and it's nice to see that the steps of the original were not there, and there were different innovative steps. And that I liked. I liked their coordination yet again. And I like the fact that it was fused.
Second prize in the senior category goes to...
It goes to Satrangi School of Fusion.
Satrangi, second prize in the senior category.
बहुत something different. We brought something modern, edgy, and people said it was kind of racy, and it was a risk to bring this kind of song on stage. But we are very happy that we are going home with the second prize for seniors.
I love their costumes. I love the energy of the whole group. That's what makes a performance. The guys in it, there were 4 main guys. They held the whole thing really well. The girls were fantastic. They all were in sync, and I think I went for their energy.
Guys, hold your breath for your first prize. Goes to Kailashree School of Art! Woo! Very well deserved!
The toughest part was the costumes, the props, and maintaining the timing and everything, and I think they did a good job.
Normally you don't hear these songs because, you know, people are so into the regular Bollywood music, the hip hop, the trendy stuff, that these classical, evergreen beats just kind of get hidden away. They probably don't even play on TV and radio, and and to that I loved the story woven, the Krishna, and I remember the costumes and how brilliantly the kids danced. They were perfect, I thought. I mean, their lip was syncing. Even the juniors, the youngest one in the lot was syncing with the lip, and and it was really nice. And it has beats. It's not much lyrics. It has beats. For the kids to remember the beats, I think is tough as a dancer.
First prize in the senior category goes to...
My God. Oh my God. Arya Dance Academy.
Both of our groups are coming home with trophies, and that is the best feeling ever, is to know that all of our groups are coming home with the winning award. Winning first place at Nayandaz is a fabulous experience. We love being here. It's the whole overall experience.
Congratulations.
See, it's all about ideas. It's about, props. It's about, if you see any Cirque du Soleil show, you'll see that there's a lot they can do in just one stage with just props and, different concepts. The concept was really good. Song was old, so yeah, when every Indian listens to that Mehbooba song, because the song is so good, you tend to forget the dance and you just keep hearing the song because the song is fantastic. But it was good that they chose this song because then one could see the dances and the choreography was different, and I thought the troupe did a exceptional job.
A big fat congrats to the winners of this year's Nayandaz dance competition. All the performers, choreographers, parents, sponsors, and volunteers also deserve a round of applause.
and you start losing it, please don't try to overcompensate with facial hair. It's not going to work.
यार गंजे लोग शैम्पू करते हैं क्या?
In other places.